Greetings and welcome to the Knowledge Code, a place where curiosity meets discovery. Here we explore everything, from the structure of the cosmos to the hidden mechanics of reality. No question is too big, and no mystery too obscure. Because knowledge isn't just collected, it's decoded, and the deeper we look, the more the universe reveals. Today, we're unlocking the hidden code of reality, quantum rule breakers, a revelation that will change how you see the world. Let's begin. You wake up. The world feels solid, structured, predictable. You drop something. It falls. You take a step, the ground holds you. You look around and reality seems certain. But what if I told you it isn't? What if I told you that beneath this familiar world, there is another? A deeper level of reality where things don't follow the rules you were taught. A world where objects slip through barriers, where two things can be galaxies apart but still connected, where reality itself refuses to take shape until you observe it. This is quantum mechanics, the fundamental blueprint of the universe. And today, we unlock three of its most confounding secrets. Number 1. Quantum tunneling, when particles ignore physical barriers. Number 2. Quantum entanglement, when distance itself is an illusion. And number 3. Quantum superposition, when reality waits for you to decide what is real. These are not just abstract ideas. They have been tested, measured, and proven to be real. And yet, their implications break everything we thought we knew about reality. Let's start with an example. You throw a tennis ball at a wall. It bounces back. Of course it does. Solid objects don't pass through each other. But now imagine, the ball does not bounce back. It vanishes, only to reappear on the other side of the wall. No hole, no cracks, just there. This is quantum tunneling, where particles, instead of colliding with barriers, simply appear on the other side as if the obstacle never existed. At the quantum level, particles do not behave like tiny solid marbles. They exist as waves of probability, stretching across space. And sometimes, part of that wave extends beyond a barrier. If it does, there's a small but real chance that the particle will appear where it shouldn't be. It sounds bizarre, but without it, the sun would not shine. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers every star, depends on quantum tunneling. Without it, atoms wouldn't collide with enough energy to sustain life itself. So what does this tell us? That barriers, whether physical or conceptual, may not be as absolute as we once thought. Now let's discuss quantum entanglement, the phenomenon where distance becomes an illusion. You've been told that nothing moves faster than light, that for one thing to affect another, it must send a signal, that distance matters. But what if distance is just an illusion? This is quantum entanglement, where two particles once linked remain connected, no matter how far apart they are. Change one, and the other responds instantly, even if they're on opposite sides of the universe. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance because it shouldn't be possible. And yet, every experiment confirms it. But here's where things get even stranger. We can measure entanglement. We can use it in technology, but we still don't know how it happens. It's as if the universe has a hidden layer, one where space itself is irrelevant. Now let's move on to quantum superposition, when reality waits to be observed. We believe in states of being, that something is either one thing or another, that a light is either on or off, or that a book is open or closed. But at the quantum level, reality does not choose until you do. Think of Schrödinger's cat. Until we open the box, the cat is both alive and dead, not because we don't know the answer, but because reality itself hasn't decided yet. And if reality is still waiting to be defined, then what role do you play in shaping it? The more we explore, the more we realize. The universe isn't just something we observe. It's something we interact with, something we influence. And the further we push the boundaries of knowledge, the more the universe unveils its secrets. If you've enjoyed this journey into the hidden code of reality, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. Because here at the Knowledge Code, every question is an opportunity and every answer a new beginning. Until next time, question everything.